You're watching Camilla Ali TV.
One rubber in my hand.
This is the conditioner I use in the hair. I don't do shampoo. I only do conditioner, so I just co-wash the hair and to get off all the dirt and build up. He loves this, the little one. He loves this. He says it smells like what does it smell like?
Lemon cake.
Lemon cake. So yeah, he loves this and it works really well. It does really well with detangling the hair. So this is all I do to it. I just
This is like punch.
I just condition it.
Lemon cake. Yummy. I may be bored.
And it's good for all textures because my son's texture is a little different than his, my oldest. It was so easy to like blow dry. It wasn't tangled. It really was easy to. I didn't have to comb through it or detangle it. He just.
I move my chair up.
Did his hair, and it just was like a breeze to, no tangles. Very easy to blow dry. So yeah, I love that for his hair. So this is what it looks like after I blow dry his hair.
You can only get this from Target. If you ask your...
And that's where you got it from, Target.
Yeah, we got it from Target from our aunt.
But yeah. So if you're looking for a good conditioner for
If you
your
ask
child or yourself, this would be the one.
If you ask your parents, if you have this, you're all out of it. Just ask your aunt to get it.
Yeah.
And then you will have it for 2 or 3.
Rinse out the conditioner. Look up, lift your head up, baby. You can see his curls are still there. Yeah. And I normally don't.
Grateful.
I don't blow dry it. I mean, I don't. I blow dry his hair when I put the plants in it. But as you can see, he still has his curls.
Yummy.
And it's so soft. Like, look.
Pepper.
No tingles. My hand just glides right through his curls. So. Yeah, I love this conditioner. He loves the conditioner. So, try it out and see how you like it. Alright, what you want to say? Say bye.
Bye. See you next video. Peace.